Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, how are you and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to crochet these beautiful purse that can be used as the keychains. The material I use are polyester yarns, a crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and a pair of yarn scissors. Firstly, make a slip knot. Then, make 12 foundation chains plus 3, so the total amount of the foundation chains are 15. These are the 12 foundation chains. Now I'm making 3 more additional chain. Then I will make the first single crochet on the third chain from the hook. This is the first single crochet, it's counted as 1. Then make 11 more single crochet in each of the chain stitches. This one is the 12 single crochet which I counted from the third chain from the hook. And in this last chain stitch, make 3 single crochets. After that, make 1 single crochet in each of the next 12 stitches. This one is the 12th single crochet of this side. Then make 3 single crochet in the next 1 stitch. Then make a slip stitch on the first single crochet, followed by 2 chains. After that, make 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches to complete this second round. This is the last double crochet of this second round. Complete this double crochet. Then make slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet. After that, make 2 chains which are counted as the first double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet in each of 18 stitches. The positions of the 18 double crochet is in the top of the 4th stitch from this one. Make 3 more double crochets. This one is the 18th double crochet, which is also the 19th double crochet if it is counted from the chain 2. Now, change the thread to do the last yarn over. I'm gonna use this new thread to make the little main pattern. Firstly, yarn over, then make a front post double crochet. Make one regular double crochet in the next stitch. Then make one chain and make another regular double crochet in a same stitch. After that, make a front post double crochet through the body of the next double crochet. The little main pattern is complete, but you need to change the yarn color before doing yarning over and pulling it through 2 last loops. I'm changing the yarn color, yarn over, and I pull it through 2 last loops. Then I will make one double crochet in each of the next stitches until I meet the beginning point. You need to always pull out this green yarn to hide it perfectly. This one is the last double crochet of this round. Complete the double crochet. Make slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet, followed by 2 chains. Then make 2 chains, 1, 2, make 1 double crochet in each of the next 18 stitches. Now, change the thread. After that, make a front post double crochet through the normal double crochet. Make a regular double crochet between the 2 previous double crochet. Make 1 chain and make another regular double crochet in the same space. After that, make a front post double crochet through the body of the next double crochet. Change the thread again, then Make 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches until you meet the beginning point. This is what the pattern looks like. You just need to repeat these actions over and over again until you get the size you desire. I've got the size that I want, and this is my last double crochet. Then I will make a slip stitch on the first double crochet using the different thread. One chain, then I will make 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Have a look. The position of this 4th single crochet is in the middle of this purse. Make 45 chains as the handle of this purse. Then make a single crochet in a same stitch. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next 15 stitches. Make 1 single crochet on the top of the front post double crochet, 1 single crochet on the top of the regular double crochet, 1 single crochet in a chain space, 1 single crochet on the top of the regular double crochet, 1 single crochet on the top of the front post double crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. This is the last one. Finally, make slip stitch on the first single crochet. Then, cut the yarn. Hide these 2 yarn tails inside the purse using the passery needle. Finally, this cute purse is ready, and this is what it looks like. For your information, you can use this purse to give some pieces of notes or as a keychain. I hope you like this pattern, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet!